Students. In this video I'm going to share the Java program for the level class 9th ICIC. With the first program I'm going to discuss is write a program to input three numbers, or you can say integers, using scanner class. That means values are not given to you, the values will be entered by user to find the average of those numbers. That means the logic will be applied for the calculation of the average. So I'm going to do this program. Notice these points: three numbers, that means we need to take three variables for taking the numbers, and then we need to use scanner class. So we will be using scanner class methods. As per the data type we will mention, as it is our integer, that is why we will use the type int, and we will calculate the average, and for average again we will take the variable. See how we will be doing. As we need to use scanner class in the program, we need to write import space java dot util dot scanner, and you all know that scanner is the name of the class, so the name of the class first letter must be capital. Then we will write class declaration line, that is public class name can be any. Suppose I am writing ABC, so A is again capital as it is a class name, and these all the letters will be written in small, and this is dot. Dot is the operator which is used to call the classes and the variables in the other classes. So we will put curly bracket for the class body, then we will write public static void main, and inside the round bracket we will write string args. In my other video for the basics of Java, I already explained these things in that video. You can see that video. And inside the main method, this is a main method. Class consists of data and methods. Class is just a blueprint. It is a basic design for similar kind of objects. Now in this class we are going to take values from the user. Three values, three integer values. How will we take? First we need to make scanner class object. Scanner SC. SC is any object name. You can write A here, you can write AB here, any kind of object, but generally books use SC. That is why I am writing here SC. And equal to operator, with the help of this new operator, created object will be created. Creation of memory will be there, and we will write here scanner system.in. This is how we can create the scanner class object. Now we need to use the scanner class object for the method calling. We need to write SOP statement, or you can write system.out.println. This is a display statement for the user that enter three numbers or three integer values. Any display statement you can write here, and you will take three variables. Variables means any names which are given to store some value, to store data. So we will take int A first variable, similarly int B here, similarly int C. But what to be written here? We will write sc dot next int. Why next int, and that too without space? Because next int is the method to take the integer value during the runtime. During the runtime means from the user. The value is not fixed, the value is not given to us. That is why we are using scanner class method, that is next int, with the help of scanner class object and a dot operator here, and the runtime value, dynamic value, will be given to this variable. Then similarly sc dot next int here, as all the three data values are of int type, that is why we are using here next int method. And then the last statement will be double or float you can write. Why I am writing double or float? For the average, suppose I am taking AVG as an average variable, so I will write like this: A plus B plus C divided by 3. This is the average formula. Here division sign is this, and how many values we have taken? 3 values. All the sum of all the numbers divided by number of items. This is average formula, and we need to print the statement now. Now we will write system dot out dot println average is equals to AVG, and curly bracket ends here for the main method, curly bracket ends here for the class. This is how we will calculate the 3 numbers average in this program. Now somebody will ask the question why plus sign is here. This plus sign is not adding any value. This plus sign is used to concatenate two things. Concatenate means to join two things. So we are joining one string plus another value. Here you can see, you can observe that I have not put the inverted commas here. That is why we are getting the value here. What will be the value? The result stored in this variable, that will be printed there, because in the system.out.print statement we have printed average is equals to plus average. Average is equals to will be printed as it is plus average. That means the resultant value will be printed here, and after that you need to close the main method body that is started there, and this bracket, closing bracket, is for class body. That is, class body started here and class body ended here. This is the program, and this import java.util.scanner statement will be the first statement, as you need to put scanner methods in the class. That is why this statement will help us to use the methods in the class. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.